Good morning, good afternoon. Here is good morning anyway. Uh, Today we have a Range Rover Vogue. The customer complained the boot after obviously he went to car wash. He said he wasn't able to close the tailgate, boot, whatever you want to call it. When he was trying to close it, he was 3 beeps alarm. That means something is not right, obviously, with the boot. So to cut the story short, when I checked it, obviously the customer said he replaced the gas strut. He bought actually even a module, but it's a wrong one. Doesn't match the part number. That's the one, which this one is located right here behind of this plastic cover, and this one is working fine. The upper was the problem. Every time he was trying to close it, he was making 3 beeps, and so try to find out the problem. After he described the issue, what I've noticed, the alignment where you can find this setup. There is two guys who shows how to line it up, but it depends from car to car. But you need to remove the spoiler, obviously, which is held in 4 bolts, actually 5, 2 on each side and 1 in the middle. Then you will have 1 plug, actually 2 plugs, pipe connections, and another plug here. After you remove this one, then you will have access to the hinges. The way I set it up compared with those 2 guys, where they said this hole needs to be right in center. No, the way on mine it did work is on the right hand side is got to be like this, bottom and left on the right side, and on the left hand side is got to be bottom right. I don't know if you can see it clear. That's the way. And then after you close it manual and then open it, and it should work like now. There we go. Even the gesture, opening, and then closing. So this is it. That's the problem. When the 3 beeps sounds, you make sure is all line up. Make sure you keep the gap, and then you will sort out your problem with the 3 bips and closing. Hope this one it will help you guys. Thanks to the other fellas who posted. Hard to find, you know, some information, but if you are patient and keep searching, you will find the right answer. It's part of experience, but this time is gonna be more easy for next drivers, owners with Range Rover. Check the alignment. That's it from here. Good luck.